guys, Karina from Premier Fitness Solutions. Today I wanted to jump really quick because I get a lot of questions. What do I make for breakfast, or do I eat for breakfast? People don't have time to prepare breakfast, so I figured I will turn our dinner tonight to breakfast tomorrow. So here's my cauliflower rice mixed with 2 bags of cauliflower rice mixed with cooked turkey with 1 jar of salsa. So I just took 5 minutes ago 1 pound of turkey mixed with 1 jar of salsa, cooked it together, mixed it with 2 bags with cauliflower rice, and here it is, and that's going to be our dinner after I cut up some vegetables. So I'm gonna add some stuff from my garden, so that's zucchini and pepper that I grew in my garden. I'm gonna cut it up, throw it in a pan, mix it with my cauliflower rice, and that's going to be our dinner. The rest of it, it's going to be super simple. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some eggs to my cauliflower rice, a little bit of cheese, put it in little muffin tins, and bake it for tomorrow. So here it is. Takes really just a few minutes. So that is really the easy way. If you're bored, you don't want to eat the same dish over and over again, you can make a little extra and have it for another day for your breakfast. That way we're actually going to add a little extra protein with the eggs, good fats from the yolk, a little cheese. It's optional. If you don't handle cheese, don't add cheese, just do the eggs only. The eggs kind of are a must if you want it to have a muffin consistency, because the egg will keep it together. Otherwise you just eat it as a cauliflower rice. Here it is. So that's my pepper. I'm gonna throw it in a pan with a little bit of coconut oil, cook it together. I'm gonna cut my zucchini. There you go. Add it. So super fast, super easy, nothing really complicated. Again, my meals are super quick, easy, simple. I don't like to overcomplicate things. There you go, that's my zucchini. I have plenty of zucchini in my garden and lots of tomatoes. My tomatoes ripened all at the same time, so I'm kind of wasting some. So I'm going to rethink how I'm going to do things next year. This is my first year growing the garden, but hey, it's a good start. To have too much than too little. There you go. So here it is. We're going to cook some of those vegetables. Put a little bit of garlic salt. So I buy this garlic salt from Trader Joe's. It has just a sea salt, roasted garlic, onion, and parsley. So I use that for my spiced vegetables. There you go. There's some here. There you go. I'm gonna cook it for a little longer. Add my cauliflower rice. A little bit. And half of it, I'm going to put some eggs in and some cheese. I'm going to start shredding some cheese. So I'll save time. Honestly, it just takes a few minutes to do it all. I'm just shredding cheese on a small shredder, and that will be it. So super easy. Again, ingredients are turkey goes really well with cauliflower, but you can use any meat that you like. I didn't defrost venison, so I didn't use the venison. But I used a pound of turkey, 2 bags of cauliflower rice, 1 jar of salsa, then 1 zucchini and 1 red pepper from my garden for dinner. I'm gonna divide it to 2 and bake half of it with egg and cheese for breakfast next day, and then the other one, the rest is served for dinner tonight. So simple, easy, no excuses breakfast. There you go. I think I had maybe a little too much cheese, probably maybe 3 ounces of salt or so. So here it is. There you go. That's my veggies. I'm gonna brown them a little bit, and then I'm gonna add cauliflower rice. to it, half of it. Okay. So half of it is done. Other half, I'm gonna add eggs too, and make muffins. There we go. Maybe here. There you go. So here's my vegetables and rice and meat, and here it is, rice and meat, cauliflower rice and meat. For this amount, so it's about 1.5 bags, I'm gonna use 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3. Again, you're welcome to make more. You know, our family is not that big and my kids won't eat that anyways. So I'm going to just do it for Jamie and I, this, and I'm gonna use just like 1.5 ounces of cheese. You know, that's it, because we don't really need that much. So here it is, I'm mixing it in. And depending how you guys wanna do it, mix. Almost done. Perfect. Okay, there you go. Awesome. Now I'm going to take my muffin tins, put that in my muffin tins, scoop it in. There you go. Scoop it in. There you go. There's some liquid there. That's actually egg gets kind of liquidy, so I'm gonna pour some of the liquid over after that's in. So there's more egg in those tins. There you go. There we go. There we go. I'll show you in a second what it looks like. Oh man, making a mess everywhere. Making a mess everywhere. Okay. There you go, there you go. There you go. Some more. One. I normally use the whole baking dish, but today I decided to just put in a muffin tins just to see. Probably cook a little faster. There you go. My oven is already turned on to 350, and I really don't know exactly how long I bake it. I'll just look for everything to kind of cook together and to start browning on top, and that's when I decide if it's ready or not. There you go. Perfect. Nice. All done. All right. So here it is. Again, our dinner and my little muffins here, as you can see. Yes, you got water? Okay. There you go. Put it in the oven. Just burn myself a little bit. There you go. The other one. Okay. Close it up. We're good to go. All right, guys. So again, quick dinner turned into breakfast next day. Eggs are super easy way to get your protein in and your good fats in. So breakfast with eggs is always great unless you're allergic to eggs. They're not good for you. But that's about it. Super low carbs, you know. Obviously breakfast we can allow a little more energy, so I sometimes do. I have sweet potatoes, so you can mix the muffin with a little bit of sweet potato. Actually, cooled sweet potatoes are higher in resistant starch, which actually is a prebiotic to feed our probiotic, which is a bacteria itself. So it's great to eat like cold sweet potato to increase amount of food for your good bacteria in your gut. If you have any questions, want to learn more, you can find me at Karina at pfsfit.com. We'll also have a 6-week challenge starting next week Monday. So if you're thinking about learning more about cooking healthy, working out, doing something good for your body, just send me a message here and I'll get you started. Talk to you soon. Bye.